All right, guys, here it is, the 2022 GasGas MC350F. Now, what makes this cool is last year, GasGas didn't do a 350 motocrosser. They did the EX, they did not do an MC350. So this is the first year for the GasGas MC350F. Pretty cool. It is unchanged from any aspects of the KTM or of the 250. You know, this is virtually a 250. But a very cool bike nonetheless. So since there are no changes for this year, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys listen to this thing. Super cool bike. Let's hear it. Guys, if you're sleeping on GasGas right now, you need to wake up, because these are the best value in motocross. The 250 in one of the shootouts, I can't remember if it was Motocross Action or Vital, but one of the shootouts, the 250 GasGas just beat the KTM. Why? The motocross guys decided they really like these cast triple clamps. They provide a little more flex. Some of them thought the KTM was too rigid. I mean, it's beating out the KTM in some shootouts, and it's $1,000 cheaper. So we don't know what's going to happen with these the next generation. They may stay behind a year and become even more of a price point bike. So we will see. I personally love the silver wheels because contrast is awesome. Raw metal color is awesome. I don't like that cheap paint, but that's all personal preference. Either way, guys, there's not going to be a whole lot of these out there. So if you're interested in one, you need to get with your local dealer, or just give Mike an email at mike@aomc.mx or sales@aomc.mx, and he will get you hooked up. I believe this bike is still available. So if you send him an email as soon as you see this, you can probably pick this thing up. So anyway, guys, remember this channel is going to be your location for new bikes, walk-arounds, engine starts, new model info, all that. I appreciate you guys so much. If you want to go a step further and support the channel, you can join my race team. Just click that little blue join button down beside subscribe. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.